Hi everyone, today I am going to show you this little tool that is very useful for stirring a gel polish in the bottle. And this video is for one of my new subscribers, my new Patreon subscribers, Yvonne, because she had an issue with the gel polish shrinking, and one of the reasons for shrinking could be that the gel polish is not mixed properly. So here is what's happening sometimes. Lexio is a gel polish that doesn't have any solvents, and even though it doesn't have any solvents, it still can separate a little bit. Sometimes you can see it. This one I already mixed, and I just used it. You can see it at the top of the neck. Sometimes it has like a clear gel. So what happens is the pigments fall to the bottom and the clear part stays on top. And initially, because the brush reaches all the way deep, you have sometimes few good strokes, but then as you dip again, you might be picking up the more of a clear kind of base, clear gel, so it's not mixed properly, so it might be kind of behaving differently. So here's what I do. I pull the brush out and I scrape it just so it doesn't drip all over the place. I put it aside, and these little tools, you can get them on Amazon or something, and they actually come with little stir sticks, but when you put one in a bottle, it's not going to reach to the very bottom. So I put two, and by itself they don't really stick together. So what you can do when the sticks are still brand new, you can actually put a little bit of a top coat, or I actually probably with this one I used liquid and powder acrylic. So just I dabbed a little bit and then I stuck it there. But you could probably use a top coat that doesn't have any, well, actually any top coat, just then wipe it. So here's what you do. So when you turn it on, as you can see, it's not only kind of mixing, but also it's vibrating a little bit because the thing is a little bit longer. So I stick it in the bottle and I mix it for at least like I don't know, a minute, especially if the bottle is new or it's been standing for a while. And I do it at the beginning of the service because sometimes you might get actually a little bit of bubbles inside, which I actually don't find, but just in case, you want to make sure that the bubbles kind of settle before you start using it. So letting the gel sit for a minute or two, or a few minutes. By the time you're done the manicure, it's gonna be good. So, and then I kind of go like this around. And this is actually, by the way, an amazing color. It's called Vamp. And I did a video, so I figured out a way of making the top coat not to pull away as well. Because sometimes the polish, you know me and my capping method. So you can also use a similar method with top coat. But I'm going to make I made the video. I'm gonna edit it later on tonight and post it. So if you are interested, I will be posting it for my Patreon subscribers. So if you are subscribed to my Patreon channel, you will see it probably this weekend. So sign up. It's patreon.com// I never know how to say it, the Salon Life. I'll put a link in my profile so you can see it. And yeah, I just wiped it with the gel polish finish wipe, whatever it's called, and I put it away in the drawer so it sits and it doesn't pick up any fluffies. You may have to make sure that the ends are not, you don't have little fluffs, because once that gets into your gel, you are kind of screwed. Okay, so this is it for the video. Very good color, Vamp. I just used it, and you'll see the video, and the link will be in my profile. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.